Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace subframe bushing while it's still on the car. The car here that I'm gonna remove the bushing on is a Volvo XC90. This is the tool that I'm going to be using. I need to push it into the inside of the bushing, and we'll put a cap on one side, a cap on the other side, and we'll just push the bushing out. I'm not sure exactly what the names of these tools are, but you can see exactly what I mean. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. The big ring we'll put on the side where the bushing is gonna come out, and with the small ring we're gonna push the bushing out. Make sure the small ring is a little bit smaller in diameter than the bushing, so that it doesn't get stuck. And now we'll start turning so that we can remove the it's getting very tight, I can feel it, but the bushing doesn't want to move, so I might go to plan B. I'll just heat the metal with fire, and we'll try then to see if it will come out easy. Okay, once we heated it up, now we can start tightening to see if the bushing will move, and we can see that the bushing is moving very easily now. So the fire, the heating it worked. Yep, the bushing is out, so now we can remove the pinion along with the rings, and remove the old bushing and put on the new. These are the tools that I'm using to remove the bushings. Now I'll put on the new bushing and it will be the same way as we removed. When we're tightening it, we can see the bushing going a little bit at a time, so we're in the right direction. Yep, that's the bushing in. Next we can remove the tools and that's it, we're done. We can assemble everything on the car. Thank you for watching.